If I can give some good intellectual arguments, some ways that maybe we haven't looked at things, to active duty, to the community, to these laboratories, I'll get it across. If I can make them understand that, hey, you got to keep the main thing the main thing. Don't get distracted with all the other things going on. And finally, if I can just let them know clearly, here's what your goal needs to be. If everything's important, nothing is. And we've done that an awful lot on active duty in the Congress and certainly at the labs over the years. So if I can focus them a little bit and get out of here alive, I'll feel real good. Well, my sense is, a critical mass of people that have different viewpoints on things is far stronger than one or two bullies, let's say, going for this point or that point. What happens is if it's an individual bully, even with a good intellectual argument, normally you get a rather polarized result. But getting them all together will come up with the right answer. And I think that this sort of a coalition is the right way. I do think, and I hope I can do it, I think if you have a couple of provocative thoughts, I don't mean anti-triad, but provocative thoughts, it might jog people into thinking things in a different way. I think that's powerful too.